Remote code execution remains one of the deadliest attacks in history.
Preliminary indications suggest that the scope and scale of this incident are beyond any that we've confronted as a nation, and its implications are significant.
From the wannacry vulnerability in 2017, which affected over 200,000 computers across 150 countries within days,
Russia, the United States, and many points in between have been hit by what's now a common form of cybercrime.
to SolarWinds attack and Log4Shell attack.
It had exposed 18,000 computer networks around the world to malicious code. The hackers used the supply chain attack to send a virus into the system, which spread to the company's clients through software updates that created a way for them to gain access to sensitive data.
These attacks have affected many computers, about millions of computers, and it still remains one of the deadliest attacks ever. n8n, which is an open source workflow automation platform, contains a critical vulnerability, which is the React code execution vulnerability in their workflow expression evaluation system. This affects versions starting from 0.211.0 and prior to 1.1 to 0.4, 1.1 to 1.1, and 1.1 to 2.0. Yeah, so here's a simple guide for you to install n8n, and on their documentation page, which is located at n8n.io or docs.n8n.io, you can find two installation guides. One is the Docker and the second one is npm. So using the Docker, you can pull the latest version using this command docker pull and with the n8n instance, or you can pull a specific version by appending a version to it, or you can pull the unstable version using this command. Now, one thing you should look out for if you are already running an n8n instance is you can upgrade or pull the latest version. So you have to navigate to the directory where your n8n compose file is, and then you can simply just do the docker compose pull, or you can stop the server and remove the older version as well. This is how you can get started with n8n, and this is how you can install or upgrade your Docker file. So if you want to run the instance on your own PC, you can simply just do the npx n8n command and hit enter. So this will install the latest version if you don't already have it, and then you will actually get a localhost server where you can communicate with the n8n, and I have it running. So as you can see, my editor is now available at localhost 5678, right? So I can just open my browser to see this. Now there are two issues with that. One, if you are running it inside your Safari browser, you get an error like this. So this is an issue, and I think it's with Safari not being able to store cookies for the n8n server. So probably you can get a Brave browser or Chrome browser to run the instance, and over here you'll be prompted to create an account. Yeah, so let's create an account. Not going to save, and then you can just select your category. Yeah, so this is it. So we can use a template, right? So yeah, so this is how you can use it. This is how you can install and upgrade it. And going deep into this is not a context of this video. So in the next video, maybe we can explore more or do more on the n8n. However, it is your time now to fix the vulnerability before you get affected. So this vulnerability is very much dangerous, because once the attacker logs into the instance, he can gain admin access to your server, or whichever access your workflow has. The attacker can also have the same access, and that can lead to a lot of vulnerabilities or a lot of exploitations to your server. See you in the next video.